Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products. On my right hand, this is 60-quart pressure cookers. Now, as you can see, the units entirely made by the aluminum. And let's take the overall sizes first. And they include the handlebars. Entirely, the units about like 23 inches in the diameters. And the overall height is about like 22 inches. For the unit's body, they're having two handlebars mounted on each side and then two handlebars mounted on top lid. For the top lid, we're having the gauge locations, one here, one is here. You can remove the top, the rest box, and you can put the pressure gauge right these locations. And they're having the heavy load for each of the side. Let's take the inner side dimensions. Let's take the inner side. For this pole, it's about like 17.5 inches in the diameters. And the overall depth about like 15 inches. This is all information about the inner side. Thank you for watching these videos. And if you have more questions about the products, please contact with us.